Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness. Today, we're talking about the best 7 foods to clean out your liver. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, and it's crucial to keep it healthy and functioning at its best. So, let's dive in and discover the foods that can help support liver health. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for filtering toxins from the blood and producing bile, which helps the body digest fats. A healthy liver is essential for overall health and well-being, but a liver that's overburdened by toxins can become sluggish and ineffective. To help support liver function and keep it healthy, it's important to incorporate foods that can help clean out the liver into your diet. Here are 7 of the best foods to clean out your liver. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful food that has been used for centuries to support liver health. It contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to boost liver function and protect the liver from damage caused by toxic substances. Additionally, garlic is also a natural anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as kale, spinach, and collard greens, are excellent foods for liver health. They are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help cleanse the liver, including vitamin C, which helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals, and beta-carotene, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the liver. Additionally, leafy greens also contain high levels of chlorophyll, which has been shown to help remove toxins from the liver. Beets. Beets are another great food for liver health. They contain high levels of betalains, a type of pigment that has been shown to help protect the liver from damage and support liver function. Additionally, beets are also a great source of fiber, which can help remove toxins from the liver and support healthy digestion. Avocados. Avocados are another excellent food for liver health. They contain high levels of monounsaturated fat, which can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Additionally, avocados are also a great source of glutathione, an antioxidant that has been shown to support liver function and help remove toxins from the liver. Lemons. Lemons are a great food for liver health because they are high in vitamin C, which helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, lemons also contain high levels of citric acid, which can help stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for healthy digestion and liver function. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts, are excellent foods for liver health. They are high in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which can help support liver function and protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Additionally, nuts also contain high levels of selenium, an essential mineral that has been shown to support liver function and protect the liver from damage. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent foods for liver health. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Additionally, fatty fish are also a great source of vitamin D, which has been shown to support liver function and help remove toxins from the liver. In conclusion, incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can help support liver function, protect the liver from damage, and cleanse the liver of toxins. To keep your liver healthy, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Additionally, you can support liver health by incorporating liver-friendly foods into your diet, such as leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish, and by taking supplements specifically formulated to support liver health. We hope you enjoyed this video on the best 7 foods to clean out your liver. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support liver health and improve your overall wellness. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button now and join our community of health and wellness enthusiasts. We'll be back with more content soon, so stay tuned.